Alright, here's the completed makerbot bottle. As you can see, I printed a few of them with their bottle caps. So big they are. Little ones. I just want to see what it would look like the original. I could print them bigger if I wanted to. Be wasting a lot of that filament. This is on the Creality CR-10. Once again, it's a behemoth, and it's pretty big. I got even bigger ones now. As you can see, it came out really nice. I could just take it off like that. At least this one's very easy to come off. Let's see how this one goes off. This one a little bit harder. I'd have to use the old knife. As you can see, it comes off. There you go. Look at that. The screw top. I'm going to clean off all that crap on there. But this should fit in here. And then I'll just screw it. And I can't do it with one hand. It's going to be kind of hard. But anyway, fits in nicely. There we go. Screw it in. One hand. Can we do it? That'll be a day. Okay, so we'll have to work on that. Can't do it with one hand. But this is nice little bottles. Put a little flower in there, give it to your mom or as a present to your girlfriend. She'd dig that. Nice. Until next time, in the next project, I'll talk to you later.